Okay, what's up, mga bossing? What's going on? So, we got another toy haul from the Thrift store. So, this is what I really love about Thrift store. You never know what you can find, right?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, yes, I found this one from Value Village. And yeah, just to start with. And I started with this Mario Brothers. I think this is not the one that's have like a remote control, but I'm still not too sure what completely what's this these things can do. So looks like there's a battery compartment here and there's an on and off. So and I'm not too sure what these things can do, but it's really cool. I think it's a great stuff, or to display, right? So maybe just do some cleanup there, and not too sure about that nose. And why not, right? I only got it for $6.99 Canadian dollars, right? So there you go, pretty cool. So just to start, and we got another one. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Oh yes, this is pretty amazing, man. I think it's complete. Everything like the missiles there is there. So, see, right? So, I don't know how to put it back. So, let's see. So, yeah. So, I don't see any like broken parts. But I'm not 100% it's complete. But I guess it's almost complete. I never seen one of these, so I'm not 100% sure. But look at that, man. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool Gundam. Right? So there you go. You see the head there. And yeah. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what else can I do on this one. But overall, it's pretty amazing. I love this one. Right? So, and guess what? $2.99. I'm not sure if that's really the right price of that, or somebody put it there and hoping somebody, some lucky guys can have it. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so it looks like there's a, what do you call it? Like a missiles that you can insert on this one, this side, and then you can press it to fire it. So looks like, yeah, that's what I'm missing, I guess. So yeah, looks so good so far. Okay. Oh, pretty look good. Look at that. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about this? Or to know if I'm missing something, like maybe on this side, right? So okay, so yes. And what else these things can do? So this one's like a bottle armor if you completely like what do you call it, like transform it, right? So this one looks supposed to be connected, because there's like a male connection here and a female connection here. So yeah, okay, if I try to find after the production of this video, try to make like maybe a screenshot or a photo from the internet to see what these things can do. So far that's what it can do, right? And it's $2.99, man. What do you think? Am I lucky or what? So what do you guys think, right? So just comment down below, mga bossing, any suggestion or ideas, or what else is missing here to complete this, and what exactly is this. But I believe it's a Gundam. Definitely Look at that. That's a Gundam. What kind of Gundam is this one? What's special about this? And as I get this really cheap. So yeah, I got some expensive one here. Can't believe, I will bite the bullets on this one. So, but it's Playarts. So I'm not 100%. I already get one of Playarts toys or figure. So I think this is a good start to know how's the quality, something or what. How good is the Playarts figures? So yeah, so actually it's made from Square Enix. It's like a game, I believe it's like a game company before, video games company. So okay, so there you go. Yeah. Okay, before I forgot to share that I got like a 20% discount here if you're a member of Value Village, and you drop off some used clothing or some used stuff, they can give you 20% off coupon that you can use on your future purchases. So I use it on here. So yeah, so I don't know if if I like this one, maybe I'll find some Superman Playarts. Hopefully the price is still good. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let's take this one out so you guys can have a great view. Look at that, right? So far, it's looking good. I think it's worth $39. But on this one, I think this is the only reason yeah, that's not good. But so far, I guess, and it looks like complete. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's take it out. Let's unbox this. Oh yes, okay, so no more. Okay, so okay, yeah, I think it's complete. We still have the display stand here, still untouched. So okay, so I think they get a good idea here how to the instruction, how they put it instead of like a separate piece of paper. They put it here, and then they still have, requires some assembly, right? So far, so good. And it looks like it's still 100% complete. Look at that. They still have those cans and whatever is this, like an armor thing, and an extra set of hands here. Let's see. Let's take it out. Oh, yes. Nice. So, it looks like so nice PVC. Okay. Some articulation there. Okay, I can't move this. I don't know if, but on the shoulder, some articulation. Okay, there is something here. This was pretty tight. I can't move it. I don't know. There you go. So, oh, there you go. So I think you need to get a good, because like a ball joints there. Anyway, yeah. And the head. And yeah, it's based on the movie. So Jor-El is was the actor, right? Forgot his name. Okay, so there you go. So pretty tight articulation there. So it looks like you got some two folds. Oh no, not. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you got some two folds articulation on the knee. On the feet. Another ball joints here. Yeah. So a little flexible on the outside core. So like outside parts or armor. So nothing too scared or like you break, right? This one's really rubber, but this part is a little plastic but hard, or like a hard rubber. I don't know how you call that. And yeah, so the details is really cool, and the paint is really amazing. So look at that, you can hear the sound of the ratchet articulation there, right? But it's not die cast, so I think that's really cool how they do that. So okay, so to put this cape, oh, there's no S there. I was actually thinking there's somewhere like an S, but yeah, there's nothing. I don't remember the movie, so we really don't have that. So there you go. What do you guys think about that? That's only for $39.99 Canadian dollars. Yeah, pretty. I think. Yeah, pretty dusty. Plus 20% off. So this is like how much, right? So around 35, I guess. So yeah, plus tax. Yeah, still good. You cannot buy anything like this at that price. So you get some extra here without the cape. So yeah, so it's supposed to be on the back part armor. Some guns here, like a blaster kind of things. Details is really cool also. So rubberized. So of course a set of hands that can hold the guns. And a little bit wide as like open hands here. So yeah, so there you go guys, my bossing. Right, so what do you guys think? Only we got some $40 here, we got $7, we got $3. So overall we got like a $50 plus tax, but okay, so maybe $50 minus 20% off. So maybe like 55, 10, so like 40 plus tax. Yeah, I think I only pay like $42 somewhere there, right? So, what do you guys think? Di ba? Naka-jackpot tayo mga bossing. Ano palagay nyo? Sulit to. Kaya minsan talagang masarap mag-toy hunting. Talagang toy hunting, mga bossing. Pag nakachamba ka sa mga thrift store. So, there you go mga bossing. If you're just new here and if you like my video, this kind of video, why not, right? So, please do me a favor. Smash the subscribe buttons now. At click mo na rin yung mga bell icons dyan para sigurado kayong updated tayo pag napabisita ulit tayo sa mga thrift store at nakakita ulit tayo ng mga jackpot na talagang not just the quality and the price. It's really hard to get a chance like that, right? So, there you go, mga bossing. Please like and share to your friends and family or any toy group that you're involved or part of. Why not, right? So let's bolt in, mga bossing. Thank you for watching once again and see you on the next episode. Peace out!